to my channel. This is the King's Tutor. Okay, if it's the first time joining us, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to this channel. Okay, now we want to continue on our series on sequence and series. Okay, now the previous video we saw the nth term of an AP. Now I want to see the sum of nth term of an AP. Okay, and most times I be given a question and it said in the below sequence, find the sum of the first to the subsequent term. Okay, it is quite different from nth term. For instance, if I say find the sum of the first 5 terms, whenever you hear something like that, this part should come to your mind. Okay, and basically we have 2 formulas for sum of nth term. Now let me give an illustration of what I'm talking about. For instance, if we are giving 2, 4, 6, 8. And it said, find the sum of the first 5th term. And what I'm trying to say is, find the solution such that when you add this, and the 5th term, it gives that answer. Okay? So when you hear sum of the first, your mind should come to this place. Okay? Now we're going to see the formula. Basically, it has 2 formulas. Now, the sum formula is xn into n over 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1d, or xn into n over 2 into a plus n. Now this is used when the last term is not given, and this is used when the last term is given. Okay, so we said where a stands as our first term, okay, and n stands as our number of time. Please, if you have not watched previous video on sequence and series, check in my channel. I have a playlist for that. Okay, so we also have d as our common difference. We have n as the last term. Okay, we have xn as sum of series. The sum of series, okay, is our xn. Okay, so that is basically the formula for solving sum of nth term of what? Of an AP. Okay, so supposing we are giving a question whereby it said find the sum of the first. Okay, so what you should do is to check if the question has common difference. Then you use this. But if it doesn't have, if it was given a statement format, it was given the last time, you use this formula. Okay? Now let's see, for instance, before we get to the question we want to solve this. Let's see, for instance, you're giving 2, 4, 6, 8. And it said find the sum of the first 5th term. The sum of the first 5th term of the sequence. What do we do? How do we solve this? Okay, now if we look at this point now if we have solution, now we call the formula. At this point, this indicates that the value continues. Okay, there was no last term, so it should have a common difference. We record the formula as n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. Now where a stands for first term. What's the first term here? 2. N stands for the number of terms we're asked to find, which is what? 5. And d stands for common difference. What's that common difference? T2 minus T1. What is T2 minus T1? What is T2? 4 minus what is T1? 2. 4 minus 2 gives us what? 2. Okay, so we can now substitute into this formula to get the sum of the first 5th term. So if I do that, I'll have x5 equal, what's our n? 5 over 2 into 2, what's our a? Our a is 2 plus, what's our n? N is 5 minus 1, what's our d? Our d is 2. So we have 5 divided by by 2 will give us 2.5. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 5 minus 1 is 4. Times 2 is what? 8. So we have 2.5 into 4 plus 8 will give us 12. Okay? And 12 multiplied by 2.5 will give us 30. So the sum of the first fifth term is what? 30. So if you have 2, 4, 6, 8, the fifth term, we already know it might be 10. So if you add them together, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, it should give us 30, which is this. That is basically what that formula does. Okay? So let's solve this question we are given there. Okay? So it said, find the sum of the first fifth terms of the below sequence. The sum of the first fifth term of the below sequence, what we just did now. So supposing we have solution and we recall our formula as xn into n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So where our a is minus 31, our n is 5, let's say the first fifth term, and our d is t2 minus t1. What is t2? T2 is minus 25 minus 30. T1 is minus 31. So minus 25 minus times minus is plus 31. So minus 25 plus 31 will give us 6. Okay? So we'll try another one to be sure. T3 minus T2. What is T3? T3 is minus 19 minus 25. So if we have minus 19, minus times minus is plus 25. So minus 19 plus 25 gives us positive 6. So our common difference is what? 6. So substitute into the formula. So we have x 5 into our n is 5 over 2 into 2, our a is minus 31. We have minus 31 plus our n is 5 minus 1. And our t is 6. So our 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So we have 2 times minus 31, we have minus 62 plus 5 minus 1 is what? 4. 4 times 6 is 24. So we have 2.5 into minus 62 plus 24. That's 62 plus 24. Will give us minus 38. Minus 38. So the sum of the first fifth term is minus 38 times 2.5 times 2.5 will give us minus 95. So the sum of the first fifth term is minus 95. Okay, so that's the first one. Now let's see the second one. The second one said the first and last term of an AP are 0 and 108. If the sum of the series is 702, find A, the number of terms in the AP, B, common difference between them. It's a very technical question. So remember we gave sum of terms, we gave the formula. So we have solution to solve this. Now they said the first and the last term of an AP are 0 and 108. They gave us first and last term. It means we're using the second formula. Remember that? So if we're using the second formula, we recall the formula as xn into n over 2 a plus n. Okay? Because they said the first and the last term. There is no common difference given here. So we said where our a is, we say the first term is 0 and n is 108. Okay? It said if the sum of the series, that is Sn, is 702. Remember when we were defining the variables. So they said find A, the number of terms. So the first thing that has to find is n. Number of terms is n. N is unknown. Okay, so let's look for n. So if we do that, we have our xn is 702 equal, our n is unknown, as n over 2 into our a is 0 plus our last term is 108. So we have 702 equal n over 2. 0 plus 108 will give us 108. Okay? So 108 times n will give us 702 equals 108n over 2. This same thing as over 1. So we want to get n, which is number of them, we have to cross multiply. So this times 108n times 1 equals 2 times 702. So this times 1 will give us the same thing. 2 times 702 is 1404. Okay? So we want to get n, we divide both sides by 108. So if this cancels this, our n is equal to 16. Let me get that correct. 1404 divided by 108. 1404 divided by 108 is 13. Our n is 13. So the number of terms in the AP is 13. Now the next question said the common difference between them. This is very technical. And what do we do in this situation? We can't still use the formula. Why? Because there is no d in this formula. So which formula are we going to use? You use the first one and have d. Now you can use, recall xn into n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. They want to find the common difference between them. The common difference is wasn't given in sequence form. So we can only use this to find that. Now I cannot say where our a was given 0. Okay? Xn was given as 702. N, we have solved for n as what? 13. So the only thing remaining here that is not here now is what? D. That is what we should solve for. So if we do that, we are going to have, we are going to substitute our xn is 702 equal, our n is 13 over 2 into 2, what's our a? 0 plus our n is 13 minus 1. Our d is unknown. That's what they are looking for. So we have 702 equal 13 divided by 2 will give us 6.5. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 13 minus 1 12. 12 times this 12d. So we have 702 equals 6.5. 0 plus 12d will give us 12d. So 702 equals 6.5 times 12d will give us 78d. And to get the Bible side by the correction of d. So the Bible side by 78. So my d is now 702 divided by 78 gives us 9. So the common difference between them is 9, and the number of terms is what? 13. So that is how to solve basically the sum of n times 1 AP. So if you are joining us for the first time, please like this video, okay? Comment and ensure you subscribe. Thank you.